Okay, got everything prepped. Primer. And I'm going to be blending the color out. It is a metallic or a pearl black. So I'm going to blend the color out. And I wet scuffed everything also. So the clear and everything I'll lay in really nice. So I'll blend that color out and then clear coat the entire panel. So next step is going to be the base coat. Okay, got the base coat on. Blended the color out to about here. I didn't bring it all the way to the door. And next step is the clear coat. Alright, got the clear coat on. Laid out pretty slick. I'm still going to give it a little bit of a wet sand and buff. Have a couple little small dirt spots, just a couple of them. And that reflection, I'm going to try to flatten that out a little bit more. See that little ripple in there? When I'm done, should be able to see the palm leaves and the other leaves on the trees. Okay, got it wet sanded down, 2000 grit paper. Next step, buff it up. Okay, all done with the buffing. And we got a much better reflection in there. And that's about it. Sorry I didn't make a more detailed video on this one. I just kind of got started on it and my mind goes into like repair mode. But if you have any questions on this type of repair, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching this short video. Have a great day. Bye.